Hi, I'm Jo Hughes and I'm an engagement worker for the Rhondda Cynon Taf Work and Skills team. Through funding provided by the UK Shared Prosperity Fund, we've been able to work in partnership with Sport RCT to deliver 8-week A Step Ahead projects within our community. The aim of this project is to help encourage community members, help increase their physical activity levels and improve their mental well-being. One group that have recently taken part in this project is the Mothers Matters group based in Tonypandy. Across the 8-week project, the group has managed to walk a total of over 2 million steps and over 1,000 miles. Enthusiasm and motivation shown by all the ladies has been great to see. They've really embraced the project and enjoyed their time together.
Since starting the project, I've become a lot more aware of when I'm still, when I'm moving, my steps. I had got into a bit of a slump because my daughter had outgrown her pram and it's not so easy to just go off for a walk then. But this has given me more motivation to get out, and I'm not so anxious when I'm walking as well because I know it's for a purpose. You're showing everybody your steps and you're sharing, so it makes you want to do more. As well as just feeling fitter myself, it's influencing other people as well. So I work in a primary school and at playtime I go on yard duty and I've been walking around the yard doing laps, and then I end up with a bunch of kids just walking around talking with me as well, and they know I'm getting my steps in. I've never been a great sleeper, but I've noticed that I'm sleeping a lot more peacefully now. Maybe it's because I'm more active, and I definitely want to keep it up afterwards as well because I've just loved it. I want to keep going, I want to keep logging my steps, keep myself accountable and just not get back into the rut that I was in before I started.